Have you ever wanted to know how some investors show 100 times crypto gains while others post crippling losses full of red? Well, sure, some get lucky and claim it was talent, but there is also real professionals who know the exact strategies that are used time and again to find a profitable altcoin investment opportunity. So where can you find these secret expert investment strategies? Well, we've done the research, and in this video, we will reveal 5 of these strategies that crypto experts use to find 100 times altcoin investment opportunities. And if you stick around, we will share a hidden gem altcoin investment that has the potential to make a 100-time profit. We'll start with the first strategy: follow the right people. The first strategy on our list is to follow the right people who are knowledgeable and connected. For example, experts like Croissant ETH on Twitter. People like Croissant are linked into the inner circles of the crypto investment community, and he is very active on Twitter giving free tips and guidance, which if he was talking about stocks would probably be considered insider trading. So strategy 1 is to follow the right people. Strategy number 2, look where the market isn't looking yet. While some rely on hearing about the next big crypto investment from the news, influencers, or friends, really by this time, it's already too late. So strategy number 2 is to look counter to the mainstream or where the market hasn't looked yet. Here are 3 places to look that the larger market hasn't really focused on and would be considered for good opportunities. Number 1, DeFi Ethereum Layer 2. Here we find opportunities such as Polygon that serve to reduce transaction gas fees compared to the Ethereum blockchain, while it hasn't gained critical mass to take over Layer 1 Ethereum. Once it does and translates into lower transaction fees for the overall market, every investor will want a piece of this investment. Number 2, Binance Smart Chain, or BSC for short, is a blockchain network that runs on the Binance exchange. Binance has become a trusted exchange and continues to steadily grow in users. Because of this, any coins listed on this blockchain seem to get rewarded with massive pumps in price.
Always, guys, respect the pump.
A worthwhile place to look for opportunities. Number 3, Cosmos Ecosystem coins. The third place to look is on the Cosmos ecosystem. In order to find these, go onto CoinGecko and look at the categories page. Within the Cosmos ecosystem, one coin that really stands out is Cronos. So here's 3 places that you can look for opportunities ahead of the market. And when looking at opportunities within these places, always consider how realistic is the technology adoption. Some that have great promise are enterprise-level use cases and decentralized cloud computing. And lastly, moving on. Our third strategy, evaluate the total value locked. Another way to find undervalued coins is to look at the total value locked. But what is TVL and how is it used? TVL is essentially the amount of money deposited and locked up in smart contracts. And to use TVL, again, we go to CoinGecko's DeFi page. Looking at the column on the far right, which is market cap divided by total locked value. The lower the ratio, the more undervalued the coin is. Looking here always yields 100 timers. Another simple and effective strategy almost no one knows about. The fourth strategy is to look for smaller market cap coins. Here, we again look to CoinGecko and look at the market cap column. We want to find coins with a market cap below $100 million to start, and going another level deeper to find 100 timesers, we want to find coins with a market cap of less than $10 million. So obviously, Bitcoin is out. Filtered down to $10 million while considering the other strategies will help narrow down potential opportunities. However, it needs to be said that with these low market caps, all investment opportunities are exposed to high volatility, and this video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Always do your own research. And the last strategy would be to compare token sales. This is by far the most secret strategy. Many 100 timeser coins happen on the pre-sale before being released to the market. They happen on launch pads, but to be eligible, an investor needs to hold tokens to these launch pads. This is a pre-investment of sorts. However, from time to time, getting into a pre-sale is offered to the public. So how do you get onto the pre-sale list without holding tokens? Follow your favorite projects on Twitter. This is your best shot without having to pre-invest. And now finally, our 100 timeser recommendation. The 100-time altcoin gem that we are seriously considering is called Ethereum Name Service, going by the ticker symbol ENS. Why? Well, a couple of reasons. First is its technology utility case offers to solve a widespread common problem. Simplifying the dog's breakfast of characters called wallet addresses into a clean name. Secondly is it's severely undervalued with massive upside adoption. For example, Ethereum is building a global decentralized computer which will enhance the current internet, and if ENS is used for a conservative 30% of this market share, that would equate to a 103-time gain. It's like buying into the domain protocol company who established the .com web address when the internet was first starting out. That's how big of an opportunity this is, and that is why we are recommending it. And disclaimer, we currently are not invested into ENS as we are waiting for the right entry price point. Also, if you'd like to know more about how to make money when investing in crypto, watch these two videos right here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.